welcome to our food for the mind and soul, where we nourish our mind and soul together. Ito yung ating day 3. At tayo ngayon ay nasa John chapter 2. And bigyan ko lang kayo ng highlights dito sa John chapter 2. Ang highlight ng John chapter 2, Jesus' glory through His first miracle. So, one of the 7 miracle, dito natin makikita yung turning water into wine at a wedding in Cana. This event symbolized Jesus' ability to bring joy, abundance, and transformation into the lives of believers. The miracle emphasized the importance of faith, obedience, and love, demonstrating Jesus' desire to bless and enhance human relationship. And today, pag-usapan natin yung reflection ko dito, love like Jesus practically. Rema or reflection ay nasa John chapter 2 verse 7 to 10. Sabi doon, Jesus said to the servant, "Fill the jars with water." So they filled them to the brim. Then he told them, "Now draw some out and take it to the master of the banquet." They did so, and the master of the banquet tasted the water that had been turned into wine. He did not realize where it had come from, though the servant who had drawn the water knew. Then he called the bridegroom aside and said, "Everyone, bring out the choice wine first, and then the cheaper wine after. The guests have too much drink, but you have saved the best till now." How Jesus loved people. Jesus loved people by providing practical help. No, dito makikita natin na dumating sa time na yung kasalan ay naubusan na ng wine. Jesus mother said, pero makikita natin dito no, yung capability ni Jesus that He will provide wine. So, who Jesus is sa John chapter 2, He is the provider. And He can do miracles like turning water into wine. How to love like Jesus practically. Una, Jesus provide practical helps. Jesus recognized a need. The wedding was running out of wine and took action to address it. So, yung magmahal like Jesus is, first, we need to recognize ano ba yung kailangan ng mga tao sa paligid natin. And kapag na-recognize na natin kung ano yung kailangan nila, we should take an action and i-address natin. Nakita ko rin dito, Jesus didn't just offer words of comfort. He provide a solution. So, yung magmahal, no, gaya ni Jesus practically. So, hindi lang tayo just to say a comfort word sa mga taong nangangailangan ng tulong na, oh, kaya mo yan, ganyan. But as we help them, we should provide a solution dun sa problem na pinagdadaanan nila. So, makikita din natin how to love like Jesus. No, Jesus was in the right place at the right time. Jesus was present at the wedding, ready to help. Wherever we are, saan man tayo nilagay ng Lord, we are just in the right place, no, at the right time, na kung sino man yung mangailangan ng tulong, nandun tayo para i-offer, no, yung ating sarili para tulungan ng iba. Jesus had the ability to turn water into wine. He meet the specific need. So, how to love like Jesus? Number 3 is to give our best. Jesus gave His best. Na nakita ko din dito na hindi lang Jesus provide a solution, but the best, no? The best quality ng pagtulong, no? Ng pagbibigay ni Jesus. And Jesus, He didn't settle for mediocrity. No, he wanted to provide the best possible experience. As to love like Jesus, hindi lang natin basta natulungan yung isang tao, but we serve other with our best, with excellency. And number 4, as my reflection, Jesus helped without seeking credit. To love like Jesus, we should help others, no? Hindi tayo para mag-seek ng credit na, hindi, ako yan, ako yung, dahil sa akin, nangyari yan. So, just help without seeking credit. Makikita natin dito na yung sitwasyon dun sa kwento yung binasa natin, the master of the banquet didn't know where the wine came from. No, Jesus' actions were selfless and focused on the need of others, not in personal recognition. Are we like Jesus? Once we do something sa isang tao, hindi na natin hinihintay na i-credit pa nila tayo. Hindi tayo naghahanap ng attention, ng recognition. And as a motivation, nakita ko dito is how to love like Jesus. John chapter 1, no? We can do greater things pa. We can do even greater things. And how to love like Jesus, we should provide practical help. And kailangan din we are in the right place at the right time. And as we love like Jesus, doing our best, and we are not settling for less. And the last is we help because we don't want recognition. Because we help because it is the right thing to do. And that's why we help. And sa application, so be like Jesus. Love practically, love unconditionally, and love with a humble heart. Ito, be like Jesus, love like Jesus. Have a nice day. Bye!